today's message of the day is trust the process.
And just say the word. Take on the world. And just say you're hurt. We'll face the worst. Nobody knows you the way that I know you. Look in my eyes, I will never desert you.
Hey guys, it's Vienna here, back with another video, and today we're filming Lego Tuesday, and I'm sorry for not filming in so long because I've been busy with school and stuff, and you know, if you saw from the title, my little kitty over there is going to be picking 3 colors with my pens so that I can build oh my god, I almost said Bloxburg because that's the last video I posted. So I can build a bedroom with those 3 colors. And next week's Lego Tuesday is going to be a fall bedroom. So next week will be a fall bedroom. This week we're doing my kitten picks. So I am going to get everything set up. So, hi kitty, you're so cute. Why do you look miserable? You're so cute. Don't be miserable. Everybody loves you. Okay, so we're gonna be using. Oh, and you guys like my new desk? It's nice. These pens, and I'm gonna pick 6 random things from her to pick from. I'm gonna spread them all. I should spread them all out. Okay, so I'm gonna spread them all out, and I'll be right back so I can get my kitten. Aww. Say hi. Good girl. Okay. So, Munchkin, I need you, oh my god, I cannot get a hold of you, to pick 6 random colors, okay? No, 3. 3 random colors for me, Maddie? Can you pick them? Okay, let's see which one she's picking. Okay, which one do you like? Can you pick one? She touched like this blue one first. Munchkin, no. No, she left. But I'm gonna watch that instant replay real quick and see which one she touched first. Because she ran away from me and I actually forgot what she picked. Okay, so I watched it back over like a million times with Dolo, and these are the 3 she picked with her front paws first, and these are the 3 she picked with her back paws first. So I'm gonna have to like see which one she actually likes better. So let me just get her. Come here, sweetheart. You need to get off when you're in my bed, and you need to stop destroying everything. Okay, Munchkin. We got a very important decision for you, okay? I've got these colors, and I'm gonna go spread them out into 2 spots. Oh, no, don't eat the GoPro. No, she's eating the GoPro string. No, thank you. Okay. Come here. Ready? Go. Go pick a color. Go pick the colors. Go. Oh, Munchkin wants these colors. Okay, so here are the colors we're using today. Let's put these back, even though I really wanted to use these ones, but Munchkin wanted yellow, orange, and blue. Munchkin. They're kind of cute colors. Okay, Munchkin, let's try and find a little backdrop, okay? So I'm just gonna quickly find something. I don't have a yellow or an orange thing, so I'm just gonna be using this. And I decided to use it for 2 people, so yeah, and I think we're gonna try to go for a girl bedroom this time. So now, Munchkin, and just ignore her noises, so she's playing with stuff in her bed, but let's just do this real quick in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is more of a summer room, but it's okay because like it's giving off definitely what these colors are: the yellow, the orange, even though look at it's like faded, and the blue that I have it going around all the way around, perfect. And I actually really love it, and I already found one of the beds that I can use. Munchkin, you ready to do this? I'm gonna build it now. You can leave. I'll open the door for you afterwards, okay? Okay, so guys, let's get into building in 3, 2, 1.
Maybe it's the way you say my name. Maybe it's the way you play your game. But it's so good. I've never known anybody like you. But it's so good. I've never dreamed of nobody like you. And I've heard of a love that comes once in a lifetime. And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine, mine. And I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you smile, smile. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, praying to God that one day you'll be mine. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, all of the time. I think that you are the one for me, 'cause it gets so hard to breathe when you're looking at me. I've never felt so alive and free. When you're looking at me, I've never felt so happy. And I've heard of a love that comes once in a lifetime. And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine, mine. I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, let loose, let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do. Tell everybody I do, I do. Deep down and in those eyes, think I have memorized, oh, every single flare inside your burning stare. Just wanna be inside, keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do, I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers.
Okay, so I just finished, and before we start, here's my reference. Once again, yellow, blue, and yellow. So, we'll start off by the little montage that I
Naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay if I make it home.
Okay, so I absolutely love this build. It's like such a summery vibe, and I even put the pineapples in there to make it look like that. So I got that basket right there that goes right there, but it's gonna fall if I pick it up. So actually, I'm just gonna put it right here. in the middle right there. So we've got 2 windows. This is supposed to be his or her dresser right here, whoever is right there. And then that girl's dresser will be right there, like this one right here, my thumb is. Desk for her, a little carpet, and I actually had to switch out the door because I realized that I did have an orange door. Then we've got another window, her desk, and there's not much walking space, but it's all they're going to get if they're going to be twins sharing this really small room. I've got the little side table with another little pineapple. There's a pineapple right here. Some more windows and these cute gems that I basically use in every single build. There's one right there too, and they're really cute and I like them a lot. But this build is really cool and my cat did a good job. Because basically the colors that I picked were, she picked with her back paws were like green, gray, and navy blue. So those are the more wintry colors, and then these were more summery colors. So I'm guessing my cat loves summer more than she does winter. But I feel like this was a really cool build. And overall, if you guys like seeing my vlogs and stuff, but I only post twice or once a week on this channel, then go ahead and I'm going to put down below in my comment a bunch of other TikToks and stuff that you can follow that I do. And my other TikToks and my Vienna Is Online clips. But I guess this is just gonna have to be Vienna signing out. Peace and good. Bye.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the